Muslin, cotton. Imported. Breathable open weave cotton muslin wearable blanket replaces loose blankets for safer sleep. Handy two-way zipper that unzips from bottom for easy diaper changes, unzips from the top makes it easy to place baby in sack, plus zipper guard to protect baby's skin. Premium cotton muslin, pre-washed for softness and gets softer with every wash. Sizes: small, 0 to 6 months, fits up to 28 inches, medium, 6 to 12 months, fits up to 32 inches, large, 12 to 18 months, fits up to 35 inches. Imported. Top reviews from the United States. Loving this sleep sack, only one hang-up. We love using this sleep sack for our little girl. It's lightweight and soft and has plenty of room for her to grow into it. So much better than being worried all night about her becoming uncovered by a blanket, or getting tangled up. The only problem, sometimes the zipper isn't the smoothest. You have to pull it really taut so it doesn't get the fabric caught in the zipper. There have been many times where I thought I'd have to rip it open in order to get her out of it, but always managed to get the fabric out eventually. Sometimes, it's not the easiest thing to deal with, while having a wriggling baby on your lap. Besides that, we are absolutely happy with our purchase and recommend it to others.